Right now at 6, a man is trying to track down his $200,000, asking, where's the money tonight? Thanks for sticking with us at 6. I'm Colin Mayfield. Now in a scramble to get out of jail, the man wired the money to a Charlotte bail bondsman as collateral to secure his bond. But when a judge ultimately dismissed the case, he says the bondsman broke the law and kept the $200 grand. We've learned that bondsman is now under criminal investigation, and after some digging by our Nate Morabito, he discovered this isn't the first time someone's accused a bondsman of keeping their collateral cash.
The entire bond process in Mecklenburg County usually plays out over the course of just a couple city blocks. After a person's arrested and booked into jail, across the street, a judge holds a bond hearing and sets a dollar amount for their release.
I had a $200,000 bond.
To get out of jail, some defendants pay a bondsman a percentage of that total amount.
It ranges from 0 to maximum of 15%.
Think of it as a service fee the bondsman gets to keep.
I paid $25,000 to get released.
Many of their offices are on the other side of the jail. Others are nearby.
People are the lowest when they have to go to the bail bonds and get bailed out of jail.
In the most serious cases, or when someone lives out of state, it's not unusual for a bondsman to require collateral to cover the full bond amount. Security, just in case the person runs or is a no-show in court.
I said, okay, well, here's the rest of the bond money. I'll have us wire to you.
As long as the defendant shows up for the court case, once the case is resolved, state law requires the bondsman to return the collateral within 15 days. That doesn't always happen.
You wake up every day thinking about it.
Gregory Parker, who lives in Michigan, says Nathan Chambers with 123 bail bonding owes him big. How much money does he owe you?
$200,000. It's my money. I earned it. I want it back.
Parker is not new to the judicial system. He's faced prior stalking convictions in Florida. But after Charlotte Mecklenburg police arrested him for felony stalking here back in June, the district attorney eventually dismissed the case, citing insufficient evidence. That dismissal took place in October.
This should never have happened. It kind of steamrolled into something bigger.
Court records show while he did remove his electronic monitoring device while out on bond, there's no record of him ever failing to appear for a court date. And the clerk's office confirms there's no bond forfeiture notice in his file. Yet he says the bondsman has yet to return $200,000 in collateral.
Yeah, it's a ton of money, and
he wired him months ago.
When you're dealing with bail bonds, you expect them to be reputable.
We're really interested in hearing your side of the story here.
We made multiple attempts to understand why. Texting, calling, emailing, and twice visiting 123 bail bonding. We also reached out to their attorney, who declined comment, previously issuing a cease and desist letter to Parker for what they call unwarranted harassment activities.
It's just a hard thing to deal with, you know?
Prior to that, he filed a complaint with the North Carolina Department of Insurance, which regulates the bail bond industry. The agency confirms it's in the midst of an active criminal investigation.
98% of the bail industry does it right, does everything they're supposed to.
John Cable is deputy commissioner for the Department of Insurance. While Cable says he can't disclose specifics of this case, he told us the agency receives anywhere from 200 to 600 complaints a year, with just a small percentage referred for criminal investigation.
We'll look at it for what type of violation was it? Is it a clerical error? Is it something they didn't understand? Is there needing to be more education in that area? Or did they deliberately try to defraud a customer?
He says the law is clear when it comes to collateral, considering failure to properly return collateral within 15 days a felony, also making it grounds for disciplinary action against a bondsman's license, punishment the state has taken in a small number of cases since 2017. Nate Morabito, WCNC Charlotte.
Nate and our digital team work hard to go beyond the story and then put what they found into perspective, just like what you heard. Right now on our website and the mobile app, we have a chart showing how many complaints just like this one have been reported to the state, and a reminder for folks that are at home reaching out to us with your tips. It's what makes these stories happen. That's why we're here. Our team is committed to putting in the work and getting you the answers you deserve. It's why we do what we do every day. So if you have something our team should be investigating, reach out to us. We won't know unless you do this. Send us an email to money@wcnc.com.